Stop by and take a look at 2017 Evoque. The all-new Range Rover Evoque is the lightest and most fuel-efficient Range Rover to date, continuing our commitment to environmental sustainability, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, security system, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, trip computer, brake assist. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.